Hello dear friends, in my previous video we have seen the structure of a radio script and the difference between news in newspapers and news on radio. Today we are going to see some tips for writing a radio script. A radio script will appear good if some suggestions are followed. Among them, first is in order to keep listeners away from resulting of the papers. It is essential to write or type on one side of the paper only with the least 1 inch margin from all sides. The writing should be legible. It means that your writing or typing should be on one single page with having 1 inch margin from all sides, and the letters, typed letters, should be legible so that the reader can easily read the words properly and avoid the sound of the paper. The typing should be on a one single page. This is the first suggestion. The second suggestion is the selection of font size and font type should be large enough to easy to read. If there is a small font size of the words, it will definitely be problematic to read out properly. So that your font size should be big one, more than 16 font size should be there, and if the news is in English, Times New Roman font is a proper one. So it should be a bold one, and big font size should be there. Third suggestion is here, there is also need to leave enough double space between the lines to avoid confusion, easy reading, to add new information, and to mark punctuation of new words. You should avoid confusion while reading. You should not repeat the single line once again, and for that there should be a proper space between two lines, two space 1.5 or more than 1.5, that is 2 or 2.5 space should be there between two lines so that you can easily read without confusion. You cannot repeat the same line again and again. And the fourth suggestion is a radio script should be written to be read aloud, because nobody is watching you on radio, and the news is totally depend on what you are going to express through your words, because listeners are only listening your words and then guess what exactly the news is. And that's why your reading should be a loud one. A well written script should be used clear and correct everyday language in a conversational style. Your speech, your speaking should be conversational one, and your style should be a conversational one, so that listener can easily understand your words. Also, you should use proper and habitual words in day-to-day words, in the words which we generally use in our day-to-day communication with one another. That words you should use so that listener can easily understand what you are going to say there. Attention should be paid towards choice of words, their punctuation, length of sentence, and effective use of punctuation. Effective use of punctuation is a very important thing that you should follow properly. Unless and until you should follow the punctuation marks properly, you cannot able to convey the proper meaning of the proper line. That's why proper punctuation mark and its use is quite essential thing when you convey the message or the news to the listeners. So the effective use of punctuation mark is quite essential and important thing. Then you should choose proper words for the news so that listeners can easily understand with their punctuation marks. And length of sentence should be small one. Very big and lengthy sentences may not be understood by the audience, and that's why you should take care of the sentences that should not be a big one. So these are some suggestions for the script writing on for radio news. Then there are three more points, that is words, sentences and punctuation. There are some suggestions while using the words. First is the script writer should be very careful while using the words. The writer should use words familiar to the listener so that they can understand easily. The words you are going to use in the news, that should be familiar to the listener. New words you should not use. You can use, no doubt at all, but you have to explain the particular word in the news, and that will take time, and time is not there. You have a stipulated time period and you have to complete all the news in that period, and that's why you are not going to suppose explain the words in the news. So you should be careful while using the words which are familiar to the listeners so that they can understand easily. Second suggestion is there should not be use of slangs or jargon. If necessary, she or he should translate the technical words into simple language. Suppose you are going to explore some technical words, you should already simplify these words into simple language so that listener can easily understand. This is the second suggestion. Third one is repetition of words and cliches should be avoided. However, at times there may be need to repeat unfamiliar words, especially names of foreign cities or persons. There are many words belonging to foreign language, foreign cities, and the persons who are living in the foreign or the abroad. So, regarding or related to that, if you are going to convey the news, you should use the words by repeating these words. But generally, the repetition can be avoided, it should be avoided, because repetition creates bad impression on the listeners' minds, and that's why you should not repeat any word, any sentence again and again during the news. So this is the third suggestion regarding the words. There is fourth suggestion is the use of pronouns and adjectives is also to be avoided. You should not use pronouns, you should not use adjectives. Adjectives, the word which gives more information about the noun, not necessary to, you can use directly the particular noun for the explanation. You should not use in pronoun is the word which is used generally in the place of noun or for the noun. You should not use a pronoun, you should use the proper noun which is there. You should not use any kind of a pronoun for the proper noun. That's why you should be avoided pronouns. At the same time, you should avoid adjectives also. Then next point is the important words to be emphasized should be underlined. Suppose on radio you are going to express the news, the important words that should be underlined by you so that you can give proper and required stress on a particular word, or you can highlight through your speech the particular words. So that should be underlined. Then in a script, names of the persons and places should be written in full. You should not use abbreviations of a particular places. You should not use the abbreviations of a particular person in the news script, so that you can utter the same name fully during your delivery of the words. So uh, abbreviations should not be used of persons and places. Then next point is abbreviations are to be avoided. For example, it is better to write full name of YCMOU. You might have known about YCMOU. It is a very well-known word related to the university, which is a open university in the name of Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University, which is situated at Nashik. Generally, all the students are using short form of that Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Mukta Vidyapit, that is Open University, where anybody can take admission. There are some norms and regulations, but they are not as strict as other universities. So this is the university. The abbreviation of that university is YCMOU. It is generally and widely used by all the students. But while giving a news regarding the particular university, you should not use YCMOU. You should use Yashwantrao Chavan Open University, Nashik. Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University, Nashik. And this morning for 7:15 a.m. Such kinds of, if you are saying about the timing, you cannot use the abbreviations like 7:15 a.m. and so that. You should say clearly that 7:15 early in the morning the Prime Minister is coming to Mumbai. So such kinds of news can be delivered at the time of the news on radio. And the last point is numbers are to be written in words rather than in figures. Generally, we try to write the numbers in figures. We generally avoid to write the numbers in letters. For example, write 2, that is TWO, crore, CRORE, 50, FIFTY, lakhs, LAKHS, 21,000, TWENTY, ONE1, THOUSAND, 1,000, and 500. So all these letters you should write down there in your script. You should not write numericals, that is numbers, 2,50,000, 2 crore 50 lakh 20,000 and 500. This number should not be written there in your script, so that you can read properly the exact amount while delivering the news. So these are some important key factors for using using in the writing of the script on a radio. So remaining 2 points, that is punctuation and sentences, we will see in my next video. Till then, thank you.